अपनी फैमिली है ना, बोल भी रही कि क्या पागल हो गए ये दोनों। मेरी माँ तो बोल रही है।
बैठे बैठे बस
ऐसे ही
सपने
है।
देख रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे।
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are back all three together through a virtual meeting. And what are we gonna do today?
We are going to play Who is Your BDS Boyfriend on K Profile.
If you also want to play this game, we'll share the link in the description below. So do check that out as well. But before beginning the game, let's just share our biases so at the end we'll know our betting. Okay, I'll share mine. Mine
My
is
bias?
Jungkook. Mine is Jungkook. So we'll be
And
sharing one.
one and only Jin. One and only Jin for me.
Nice. Bias record. Bias record.
We
I guess सबका वही है. हम तीनों का वही है. और तीनों का है B. So for you, Jimmy. हाँ, Jimmy. I like all three, but ऊपर तो Jungkook यार. No one can beat him.
Let's see.
मांगने लाइन.
किसको क्या मिलता है एंड में पता चलेगा.
देखते हैं.
Let's start then.
So what we'll do is read the question. So what we'll do is बहुत ज़्यादा excitement है. We'll read the question and tell our answers as well throughout the game. So it would be nice that they'll also know the answer. So now starting the quiz. Yes. So first question. You have to choose an outfit for your date. What color would you prefer? Okay.
Yeah.
I guess I'll pick black. I would choose. What are you picking?
I'm going with blue.
Okay. I am confused between red and black. I'm really confused. Chalo, I'll go with black as well.
Oh my god.
Okay. Black.
Okay, so the next question, I'm going with it. So you are having dinner with your boyfriend at a Korean restaurant. What dish do you have in mind? So there are really delicious options down there. Kimchi. Oh my.
I guess I'll go with Korean pizza. Me too. Because
I will go for kimchi.
Kimchi also. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Next question.
What's your favorite number? Oh, okay. One.
I don't have any particular favorite number.
Me too, but then you have to select like randomly.
One. I will take it 3.
I'll go for 10. Okay. What is your ideal date? Oh, this is an interesting one. I wish we can select multiple, but I don't know.
I know what I want to do. I love the sea. I would like to walk down to the beach and hold hands.
Oh God, that's mine too. Oh. I guess. Any guesses for me? हाँ, तू amusement park वाला ही select करेगी. Amusement park, पता है. But there's another option for beach as well. Walking along the beach at night. That is also one. Nice. Yeah, I know. I also love beaches and I love amusement park as well. But oh God. Beach. Hands down beach. Okay. Sea. So you're choosing walking along the beach at night? No, not that one. I love the sea. I would like to walk down the beach and hold hands. यार उसमें holding hands का कुछ नहीं है. चल के क्या करेंगे?
Yeah, holding hands is something romantic, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Date. अपनी फैमिली है ना, बोल भी रही कि क्या पागल हो गए ये दोनों. मेरी माँ तो बोल रही है.
बैठे बैठे बस सपने देख रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Your boyfriend's birthday is approaching. What gift would you like to buy for him?
Okay.
I guess camera.
Maybe.
I will go for cookbook because I know Jin can make a really good food, you know.
I'll go for watch because I know Jungkook likes watches as well. So if she's gifting camera, then I'll gift a watch.
Oh God.
Because मैंने Run BTS में पता है उसने बताई थी अपनी flex की थी कौन सी Rolex ना? I don't know कौन सा episode
हर जगह Rolex ही पहनता है ऐसा.
Yeah, so अरे यार अपना बजट भी होना चाहिए. वो करोड़पति है हम नहीं. What do you do when you are stressed?
I sleep.
Wow, you can sleep. That is a good thing.
I think I eat and I eat a lot. Yes, I eat. I prefer to eat maybe.
मेरा दो रहेगा. I panic. नहीं मैं panic होती हूँ, but then stress eating होता है yes, and I take it out on someone. Maybe I'll say I eat. कुछ भी बाजू में पड़ा रहेगा I eat.
What is your boyfriend's charm?
यार ये सपने दिखा रहे यार क्यों?
I know. For me, he's funny and always makes me smile.
He's talented at almost everything.
Jungkook is. Yeah.
His eyes smile, man. He smiles really charming. The laugh actually. I'll select. He's talented at almost everything. Yeah, that is.
I'm really curious अपना कौन आएगा.
You both are going to get the same person, you know.
Nah, I don't know. Maybe.
I mean थोड़ा options अलग थे.
हाँ. Number change है, फिर gift change है.
Let's see.
He's talented.
So your boyfriend just invited you for a picnic. What outfit will you wear?
I guess ये hoodie वाला 1, 2, 3.
Interesting options here.
I guess I'll go with this one or this one शायद. I guess ये वाला भी अच्छा है. ये वाला.
ये वाला पसंद है. This one.
अभी मैं.
It's
क्या?
मैंने उसके नीचे मैंने select किया तो.
रुक अभी मत बोल.
हाँ वही मैं discuss नहीं की. मैंने ये वाला.
मेरे को देखने दे. अरे मैं भी वही select करने वाली यार.
I will go with this pink one. It's here.
Don't tell me. देखो जिमिन आया.
Both of you got the same. एक मिनट what is that?
JK. हाय उसका फोटो कितना मस्त है यार. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है.
So happy.
हम लोग को क्विज में तो मिल रहा है.
हाँ रियल लाइफ का तो छोड़ ही दो.
Congratulations both of you for getting Jungkook at least in the quiz.
Thank you. और उसके बाद कोई नया बायस रेकॉर्ड मिला है क्या कौन से दूसरे ग्रुप में से?
No.
Good.
ध्यान मेरा भटक ही रहा है एक इंसान से. क्या करूं मैं?
वाह यार खतरनाक है तू.
I'm proud of myself.
So now we'll play a second quiz from Quiz Lagoon, which is named as Choose a BTS song and we'll guess your bias. So let's dive into it and see who are our biases according to this quiz. Let's go.
Let's start.
Let's see if they can guess the right one.
Let's go.
So the first one, we are getting 3 options. Singularity, Hold Me Tight and House of Cards. I guess I will choose Hold Me Tight.
Hold Me Tight.
Same here. Same here. Hold Me Tight, yes. Next. Second option is Paper Heart, Attack on BTS, and Cypher PT3 Killer.
Paper
Attack. नहीं Paper Hearts. Sorry, Attack. Paper Hearts. ना ढिंचैक वाला song है वो. Attack on BTS.
I'm confused.
तेरे को ऐसे ढिंचैक वाले पसंद है क्या ज्यादा?
हाँ. I will go with third one this time.
Serendipity, Aeroplane, and Dope. And I have selected Serendipity.
Dope.
Okay. Dope.
Yo.
Stigma. I like it. Part 2 and Born Singer.
I like
Born
it.
Singer.
Yes, I like it.
Like it part. I go and let me know. Go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, la 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 la
La.
Where the party is?
Tonight, Apan Man and Dimple. It's Dimple, obviously.
No, I'll go with the second one.
Apan Man.
Yeah.
Waiting for you, Apan Man. I'll select Dimple.
Shiva, Just Dance. I'm fine and save me.
Save me.
Na save me. I need your love before I fall. I fall.
Yes.
So first is Winter Beer, Butterfly, and The Truth Untold.
Oh, tough.
I will go with Truth Unfold.
Butterfly. I'll go with Butterfly. I really like Winter Beer.
Winter Beer, पर मुझे Butterfly से ऊपर कोई. उसको एक बार में सुन के मेरे को इतना पसंद आ गया वो जो बहुत रेयर सॉन्ग्स का होता है मेरे साथ. Okay. Mama, Danger, Boy with Love.
Boy with Love.
With a boy with love. Oh,
Boy with Love.
Oh, my.
Boy with Love. Yes. You mean मुझे Danger भी अच्छा लगता है. Na 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 na. Boy with Love. But.
अरे Moonchild, Dionysus, and DNA. I'll go with DNA.
माशो वाला भी है यार. I don't know. क्या हुआ? वापस add.
The first is Promise, second is Babsy, and the third is We Are Bulletproof.
And the part 2. Promise. I want you to be alive, baby.
You should be alive.
Oh God.
Trivia, Seesaw, Idol, and Jump.
Idol.
They call me artist.
They call me Idol. Na. I don't care.
Anthony, Silver Spoon, and Be On. Funny. Anthony.
I'm the one I should love.
I love his voice in that song.
वो गाता है ना अबे यार क्या मस्त गाता है वो like छपरा तोड़.
First is Euphoria. Second one is Not Today, and the third is, and this is really difficult to choose. Tough decision.
Euphoria and Blood, Sweat and Tears.
Euphoria. Time to go with Euphoria.
I really love Euphoria.
उसको कोई denial नहीं है.
Blood, Sweat and Tears. I'm going for Blood, Sweat and Tears यार. नहीं मुझे fan बनाया BTS का.
Oh.
2016 में यही song तो था चालू. August D, Dope and Mic Drop.
Mic drop.
Begin, Spring Day, and Black Swan.
Oh shit!
I will go with Spring Day.
I don't know. Black song भी पसंद है यार.
You know it all, my best friend.
चल spring day.
So Awake, second is Fake Love, and the third one is Tear. I'm so sorry, but it's Fake Love.
Fake Love. Oh, अरे बाजू के लोग निकल के घर पे आ जाएंगे तेरे. कौन है ये जो बजा रही है? Fake Love. First Love, War of Hormone, and Even If I Die, It's You.
I'll go with Even If I Die, It's You.
Me too. Even If I Die, It's You.
Same here.
Okay.
I Need You and Trouble. I need you. Girl.
I need you. Daydream, Fire, and Side 2. It was
Fire.
Fire, of course. Fire.
La, 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 la.
Now the last one.
Last one.
Trivia, Love, Run, Lost, and Lost. Run. Does she run?
Run, Lost.
Anyways, I got Jimin.
I can't believe this.
इसको जंगकुक मिला. बताता हूँ मुझे हर क्विज में इसको जंगकुक.
ये देखो. Wait a minute.
जिन, रुको जरा, सबर करो. मेरे को जिन मिला.
सबर करो.
Oh.
But you know, I told you, मैं कोई भी क्विज खेला है ना, majority of time मुझे यही मिला है.
But देख लेना, तेको इसमें ही मिलेगा. तेको इसमें ही मिलेगा जोको. तेको
connection देखो connection.
Congratulations.
Finally. Jungkook मिल गया.
दोनों क्विज में सेम मिला.
मेरे को जिमिन जोंगकुक मिला, इसको भी जिमिन जोंगकुक मिला, शिमोने को और इसको जोंगकुक मिला. उर्मी को बी हैप्पी उर्मी.
इसका नसीब सही जा रहा है अभी, एकदम फ्लो में जा रहा है.
JK everywhere. JK. हाय भगवान. चलो.
I hope you guys enjoyed us playing this game, and do tell us what you got playing this quizzes in the comments below.
Do share with us any other quizzes which you would like us to play in the future.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for 2.5k subscriber guys. Love you all.
Thank you.
Keep supporting us and loving us. If you have any suggestions, do let us know in comments below. Bye bye.